Alright, welcome back to another video from MBMRC. This is Brian. Before we get too far into today's video, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that we still do have that contest going on. You guys are doing a great job. We've had over, I think, 250 more subscribers since we started this, so just keep up the good work, guys, and I'll leave a link in the description below to the contest details in the video. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. See ya. Alright, so today we wanted to fly, but it's just a tad windy. So Dad had the idea that we're going to do kind of a, basically it would be like a derby pole with the old tractor poles, but with two big stick airplanes here. So this will definitely be interesting. What are we using for a rope here, Matthew?
A couple shoestrings.
Oh
What
boy.
could possibly go wrong? He's got an ASP-90 one in his, and I've got a SK-90. So we're going to see which one will outpull the other one.
They both have 13/8 props.
Both the same size props here. One is an APC and one is a master air screw. But the weights of the plane are both exactly the same. Exactly the same. And they're both the exact same plane. So we're going to see which one here will pull off.
Let's see what happens.
That's the sort of thing that happens when you're bored. And as you can clearly see, they both pulled about the same.